August 4th is Civic Holiday in Canada. A day to relax, reconnect, and celebrate the diverse communities that make this country special. Civic Holiday isn't a statutory holiday across all provinces, but for many, it's a much-needed summer break. Some provinces call it by different names, like Natal Day in Nova Scotia and PEI or Simcoe Day in Ontario. It's also a moment to reflect on local heritage, civic pride, and the people who shaped our communities, from Indigenous peoples to settlers and today's newcomers. At the Black Bear Canadian Immigration Consulting, we believe every culture adds something beautiful to the Canadian story. We're proud to help newcomers find their place in this diverse mosaic. So whether you're enjoying a quiet day off, exploring your city, or celebrating your first summer in Canada, take a moment to enjoy what makes Canada truly special: its people, its diversity, and the spirit of community. From all of us at the Black Bear Canadian Immigration Consulting, happy Civic Holiday. Let's continue to build a Canada where everyone feels at home.